Are you wondering how to get a perfect melanin skin tone like this in Photoshop? Then this is the right video for you. Let's get started. What's up YouTube? Pictures by Schoolboy back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this amazing melanin skin tone for this picture. Now before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to get notified anytime I put up a new video. This picture was shot by an amazing photographer called Photohop. I'll link him down in the description so y'all can check him out on Instagram. Let's get started. So this is the before and this is the after. In today's video, I'm going to use this picture so y'all can see the impact of this melanin action that I created. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a black and white adjustment layer. So I'm going to click the adjustment layer right here, and I'm going to select black and white. Now as you can see, the picture is now black and white. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change the blend mode from normal to multiply. So as you can see, the skin is very dark right now. So the best thing to do now is to dial down the opacity to something like 40, or to a number that is a little reasonable. So let's see, I think 30 is fine. 30 is fine. So let's see the before and the after. Now as you can see, the skin has already started getting melanish. Is that even a word? Melanish. Yeah, so here's the before, here's the after. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hit the adjustment layer again, and this time round I'm going to select the photo filter. Select the photo filter, and I'm going to go through the filters and see which one works best with this image. In my opinion, I think the cooling filters work best with this image, so I'm going to go through the cooling filters. There are only 3. Yeah, I think so. There are only 3. So let's start again. I think the third one works very nice with this image. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it like that. Here is the before, here is the after. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to select curves, the curves adjustment layer, and add a little bit of let's say a little bit of how do we call it, shadows to the to this part of the image, to the shadow part. So let's select the curves, and if you want to know how much of an impact the curves is having on the image, you just hold Alt and then you click and you drag. As you can see, it shows you where you are applying all these curves. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little, I think 2 is okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of highlight. Yeah, so I think right here is nice. Here is the before, here is the after. It's a little small, a little something, but it all adds up to that amazing skin tone. So let's put all in a group right now and name the group, let's say melanin. Yeah, so here is the before, here is the after. As you can see, it looks very nice. Here is the after, here is the before. Now let's compare it to the previous one. Here is the original one. Sorry, not the original, the retouched one, and here is what we did right now. It looks very identical. So that's how I managed to get this amazing skin tone. By the way, this picture has professionally been retouched by me. As you can see, the skin looks amazing, has a lot of details in the skin and in the eyes and the lips as well. But with this image, I just used the raw image, so sorry, this is a JPEG image. I cropped it and save it and open it again. So this hasn't been retouched. That's all what I'm trying to say. It has some imperfections on the skin, as you can see, something right here, yeah, and the eyes also hasn't been retouched. In fact, I haven't retouched this picture. I'm just using it to show you how I managed to get this amazing skin tone. So that's it. Just 3 simple steps and you are there. So here is the before and here is the after. If you found this video useful, or if you learned something from this video, please do me a favor and like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for amazing content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.